It's another beautiful day in Victor, Montana, and this is Eric Stark with Radio Arizona RV in my store on Highway 93 called Highway 93 RV. Clever, huh? So today, we're going to get to the Viper sewer hose. Now this sewer hose is extra special. This is made by Valterra. Let me show you the whole box so you get the feel for it. So the Viper is cool in its own way. Now it has the swivel fittings. Like I showed you on the Dominator hose, these swivel, you can't see it. Now this hose is, it's more flexible than the Dominator. It's got that wiggle to it like a wet noodle, but not like a really wet noodle, just a partially wet noodle. Now what's cool about this hose is, if you can see it here, like a bazooka now, the gray material is 25 millimeter thick, so that's pretty heavy duty stuff. The red here is 135 millimeter, so that's extra heavy duty. So this thing can be drug across the ground and you're not going to tear through right here, which is pretty important because that's what most sewer hoses do, or this is where the springs are at. It just tears right through. Super heavy duty, and this comes in a 15 and 20 foot length, and you can get a 10-foot extension hose as well. And what else is really awesome, you can just squeeze this hose and it just comes right back to shape. You can see that, no problem. So you can step on it, walk on it if you do. I mean, not that you're gonna be walking on your sewer hose, especially if it's got liquid in it and waste and other nasty things that come out of a holding tank. So this is the Viper. This is kind of the heavy duty one. The heavy duty one. This is the best one Valterra makes. There's another model between this and the Dominator called the Silverback, which is pretty cool. I don't stock those. We kind of go from the Dominator to this, but maybe I'll bring them in. So this is 15 and 20 feet plus the 10-foot extension, and you can get it with the, it comes with the fittings already on there from the factory. You don't have to screw around with it. So this is made by Valterra, so it's another one of their quality products. So this is the Viper. See the Viper? You got the snake on there. Looks like a snake type of thing. So pretty cool. So you want to check one of these out and go to an RV store, as I say, go to an RV store. So if you have a problem getting your waste out of your holding tank and going through sewer hoses, this is the solution. This is the sewer hose you want to get. This one will last you, I don't want to say forever, but it's going to last you a lot longer than any other sewer hose you ever buy. So I'll catch you next time.